G'day, legends. I haven't had a look at this yet. Whoa, that colour. Yeah, buddy. Let's have a look. Alrighty. So here we have a nice little SX Standard Series custom handmade Stratocaster that makes a bit of noise apparently. So I'll plug it in and have a listen. How's all been going? Good? I hope yous have been well. Hope yous have been doing well. There it is. I don't know if you can hear that. Well, where do I put things? No, she's good. All right. Let me see if I can get a better sound recording of the noise that it's making. I just want to show something. Right, my young friend. The issue is it's a strat. That's just the sound that they make. A lot of people watching this are going to be like, no kidding, but that's it. And the reason why it stops there is that's reverse wound. The middle pickup is reverse wound. So effectively, when it's in position 2 and 4, you've made a humbucker, which is why the buzz goes away. That's the bridge. That's the middle. That's the neck. It's all good. It's probably a little extra buzzy being an SX, but it sounds like a Strat. That's what Strats sound like. But we all still love them anyway, don't we? A Strat doing stratty things. Who would have thought, huh? Let's see how it's sitting anyway. Let's do that. It's got a tiny little bit of relief, only a tiny bit. All right. Cool. Is that good? That's good. Let's have a look at that. There we go. Excellent. Much better. Much, much better. We'll have a look at this string height. That was 12th thou on the 7th fret there. So we want 464s. Ooh. Someone's been here before. That's perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Righto. Cool. Yep. String height. Where's me tool? It's a bit high. That one's good. I'm happy with that. A bit high. That's a bit high. Cool. I'm happy with that. Happy with that. A bit high there. Ah, look, that one was a bit high, wasn't it? We're good. Just a tad. Come on. Lovely. Lovely. Right. Might as well check this nut as well. Why not? Looks good. Feels good. Mate. Nice stuff. Hey? Fabbo. That's not the right one. Intonation. That is banging. Yeah, I'd say this has been set up sometime in the past, I reckon. I feel. Good. Good job. Sitting pretty. Pretty. So we aren't putting strings on it. We're not putting fresh strings on there, but I'm going to try and give it a bit of a clean up anyway. She's been played. That is for sure. So yeah, I'll give it a bit of a clean up and yeah, I'm always impressed by these SXs, to be honest. I am. I always am. They're always well put together. It's just this electronics that sort of let them down a little bit. But that's fun. For someone like me who likes modding the hell out of things, that's just fun anyway. You're going to rip the guts out of it and do what you feel you need to anyways. So, but I'll give it a good clean up and come back and have a look once I'm done. Might show you a little bit, but who wants to see somebody polishing a guitar and cleaning things? Icky, icky. Righto, there we go. Woo, shiny. Shiny. That come up good. Lovely. Righto, we're out. I'm going to bed. I'm out of here. Looks good. Lovely. Good one, man. Nice guitar. Yeah. Everyone, cheers for watching another vid, or cheers for watching. I honestly appreciate it as always. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please look after yourself, look after each other, check on your mates. Awesome. All right, man. Cool guitar. Probably see you at work tomorrow. All right, guys. Thank you. Peace, love. See you. Bye.